Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect PS5 controller to iPhone with Bluetooth. So you can connect your PS5 DualSense controller to an iPhone using Bluetooth by following this simple step-by-step guide. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started. First thing to do is to open the settings, then click on Bluetooth and turn it on. Then press and hold the PS5, which is the PlayStation button, and the create button, which is next to the D-pad, at the same time. Then keep holding until the light bar starts flashing rapidly. Then after that, in Bluetooth settings, look for the DualSense wireless controller, then tap it to pair. Then once connected, the Xbox controller light will stay on. Then open a game that supports controller. For example, you can test the connection using the Call of Duty Mobile or Fortnite for mobile. At the same time, you have to notice that this is very important to ensure your iPhone must be running on iOS 14.5 or later for PS5 controller to support. So make sure your iOS is up to date. So we are running on older iOS. This might not work for you. Sorry about that. So you just have to upgrade or update your iOS, or probably change your mobile to the available or supported iOS, which allow connection with PS5 controller. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more.